Because I really care about these kids, man.
Hindi pa man tolerate mo na niya may iba na, oh?
Please. Next one. Okay, bro. I hate TV. But yeah, so, what do I say? I speak from my heart. Thank you, no? Sa inyo lahat, thank you very much. Like I said, I wish I had more time. I wish we had more time. So, Camp Kawayan, yung pipiliin ko una. Hinahanap ko, same as yung criteria ko ng first season. Konektado ka dito, konektado sa heart.